Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the exact steps you need to take if you'd like to view the members of one of your private lists on X. Whether you've just set up a list or you've had one for a while and simply want to double-check who's in it, the process is simple once you know where to look. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in with the account that owns the list you want to manage. Once you've opened the app, head over to your profile or the lists section where all your saved lists are stored. This is where you'll find both your private and public lists. Next, choose the private list you want to take a closer look at. Private lists are only visible to you, so don't worry, nobody else can see the members inside them. Open the list and you'll notice some options at the top of the screen. From here, you'll need to tap on Edit List. After selecting Edit List, you'll see a few different settings related to your list. The one we're focusing on today is called Manage Members. Tap on this option, and you'll immediately see a full view of who is part of your private list. This section allows you not only to review the members, but also to add or remove accounts whenever you want. It's that simple. By following these steps, opening the X app, going to your list, selecting the private one you're interested in, tapping Edit List, and then choosing Manage Members, you'll always be able to keep track of exactly who's included. Private lists are a great way to stay organized and keep certain updates collected in one place without sharing that setup with anyone else. Knowing how to quickly view and manage the members inside your private lists ensures you stay in control of your feed and your overall experience on X. Now that you know the updated process, you can easily review your lists whenever you need. Try it out today and keep your lists curated exactly the way you want them.